Hey guys, good morning and hi, hello to everyone again. Welcome back to my channel. So I just came from a quick gym today because it's my last day and tomorrow na pala. I'm leaving tomorrow. I thought today is only Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, so Thursday ang alis ko. Anyway, so pauwi na ako. It's kinda traffic. So kukunin ko lang yung free car wash ko sa apartment ko. I got my free car wash from Superstar Car Wash nearby my place. So, gamitin ko muna to kasi actually 2 days ago I went there to do a car wash supposed to be, and then I just found out na kailangan ko i-renew yung card ko. I just realized and then I remembered na na-hack pala yung credit card ko last month. So I have to change my debit card. So yung dating record ko kasi sa Superstar Watch, yung dating card ko. So nag-change na yung debit card number ko. So kaya medyo nagkaroon ng doon na kailangan i-renew daw. So since mawawala ko ng medyo matagal, so hindi ko muna i-renew, sayang din yung monthly payment ko na $25. Last shower ni Sebastian, and then later on lalagyan ko siya ng cover kasi may iwan siya dito sa parking lot namin, and dapat malinis siya. And then mamaya I think kailangan yung may 1/4 na open yung window para makasingaw, even though na may cover siya, para at least yung hindi siya magkakaroon ng smell later on. Actually, I was thinking of putting some baking soda inside. We'll see. Yeah, I have baking soda at home, and yeah, I'll put it inside in order to avoid molds or whatsoever. Those stinky smell. Iwasan lang natin yung ganun. Okay. Kuha tayo ng wet towels. Kailangan malinis siya bago ko igarahe. Kailangan alagaan natin, di ba, yung car natin. Kasi yan yung favorite toy natin. Or should I say, one of our investment. So, kailangan alagaan natin para kasi malaking pakinabang naman natin sa car natin. Alam mo yan. Kaya, ingat, linis. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin maggagamit nito. Alright. Yan, linis na siya. Linisan din natin yung labas. Napagod ako doon Anyway, and then I'm hungry. I'm getting hungry na rin. So I don't know what to eat. I'll think about it later on. Okay. Anyway, so much for that. And then yeah, uwi na muna tayo. And then yeah, park ko na siya. And then lalagyan ko na siya ng cover para everything is done. Kasi tomorrow naman may susundo sa akin ng friend. So good thing na actually sabi ko mag-Uber na lang ako. Eh gusto naman nila ihatid ako. So thanks so much for, especially for shout out for Chris and Dean. Yes, they are my best friend here sa San Diego. So thank you so much. Alright. Kinuha ko lang yung cover ni Sebastian. Punta tayo sa kanya, nakapark na siya sa loob. Sobrang linis na niya. Ito yung apartment ko guys. So meron swimming pool dito. And swimming pool. I've been here for a long time. I never use it. I don't know why. I think ginamit ko twice lang ata before. So yeah. Okay. Andito pala yung ano. Yeah, ito yung parking area namin sa lalabas, sa likod. Yan. And ito naman yung laundry area. Tingnan natin guys sa loob. See, laundry area. There we have 6 dryers and we have 6 washers. Yeah. So, coin drop lang yan. And then yung sa washer naman, na mayroon silang application, something. Anyway. So, yeah. So, malaki din itong compound namin eh. You see? Ayun, si Sebastian. Nakapark na. Guys. Mamimiss ko si Sebastian. Ayan, ang linis na niya. Hi, Sebastian. Right. Ito yung marking ko eh, yung 2 away. Minsan I forgot kasi yung number ng lane parking ko eh. You see? There. Okay guys. Set up natin siya. Good thing na talagang meron kayong cover sa car just in case na magbakasyon kayo ng medyo matagal. Kasi syempre, yung dust, hindi mo maiwasan. Madumi siya. After 3 days nga lang, madumi talaga. Lalo na sa Pilipinas, sigurado. Right? Paano matubuksan? Tinali ko mabuti eh. Okay. Oh my God. Punitin ko na nga lang. Wala akong kuko eh. Ayan, okay. Alright. Soli ko muna yung sunglasses. Oh no, I forgot the baking soda. Siguro kunin ko na ba yung ito. Oh no, paano ba to? Sa bang harap nito? Oh my God! Okay. Kailangan 2 tao ito eh. Kasi pag nilagay mo sa likuran, babagsak yung harap. Pag nilagay mo sa harap, babagsak yung likuran. Guys, comment down below kung paano mag-umpisa nito. Oh God. Gano'n ko kaya sa taas, yes. Yeah. Uulitin ko, baliktad. Ito yung harap, yun yung likod. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap, guys. Kailangan dalawang tao. Hopefully this is right na. Yes. Yeah, ito yung opening. Right? Yeah, you see? Merong opening nito para sa driver's seat. You see? Yeah. Finally, I got it right. All right. Yes. Okay, guys. Iurong ko pa ba siya? I-adjust ko pa ba siya? Parang okay na rin naman ata eh. Right? Okay. Now, itong belt, kailangan i-snap natin together. Then sa kabilang side, adjust lang natin. So, adjust natin yung belt. Guys, itong middle part, oh my god, alright, so i-lock natin to, adjust natin ulit. Oh god. Oh my god, ang hirap. Alright. Oh god. Ang hirap, guys. Kailangan yung belt masikip. The belt should be secured para masikip. There. Adjust that. There. Hopefully, okay na yan. Yeah, okay. Okay na kaya yan? Okay. Yeah. And then sa likod. Whew. Right. Okay. All right. There you are. I guess it's fine already. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. All right. Guys, see? Finally, I got it right. Yeah. Okay. Secured na siya. Yes. I think that's fine na. Yeah, masikip naman ang likod ito. Hindi nalilip pa rin ang hangin yan. Yeah. Okay. Ito parang maluwag. Hindi ba? Okay lang. Okay na to. Alright. Alright, that's it. Cool. Alright. Okay. Hindi ba siya masyadong advanced? I think okay lang, no? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright. Bye-bye, Sebastian. Bye-bye. The one thing I like here in my parking slot, left and right ko before wala. Tapos yung left side ko meron na. Yung number 56, number 55, so 54, walang nakapark. And then the good thing is, yung pagdating ng around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, meron ng shade. It's because of this apartment behind. So, which is good. Yeah, at least nakaka-rest. Alright. Bye-bye again, Sebastian. Bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.